I've logged into Bonus Page Builder, and if you're wondering how I create these amazing bonus pages, I'm sure you've been to one of my bonus pages. Maybe you're on one of those right now, and you've seen these bonus pages that I create for the products that I promote. And of course, they are responsible to help me generate a lot more sales. I'm sure I wouldn't do even 25% of the sales that I do for these products without the bonus page setup that I have. And I have a team member who works on this, who does this for me. But if you're starting out, if you don't have the privilege that I have gained over the years of having great team members who will take work off you and do the work for you, and you still need to do that, well, if you do it manually, if you set this up using HTML, it could take you longer and it could be harder work. So to help you with that, Bonus Page Builder is a product by Richard Fairbrand. He's a very long-standing member. I've known him from a long time, and he creates great products. He's been responsible for several interesting and successful products in the market, and Bonus Page Builder is his latest offering. Now, what can Bonus Page Builder do? It can build those amazing bonus pages for you without you having to be a technical genius. You don't need to know HTML. You don't need to know any kind of programming. You don't need to know the basics of integration, of embedding, all those things that you must know if you had to set up a bonus page manually all by yourself using conventional systems. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do things inside the bonus page builder and how it can help you in your business by letting you promote other people's products and make money using those. Now, a little bit about products. Now, you must be aware of sites like ClickBank, JVZoo, and there are so many other affiliate program networks. There are CPA networks, all the other, so many different websites where you can find products that you can promote these products and get a commission off it. Now, I do that a lot myself. JVZoo is one of the most popular networks where I promote often, and I'm one of the top affiliates over here. If you go into resources and top performers, I think I should be in the top 15 these days because I just started promoting after a while. Yeah, I'm number 11 right now. I'm sure it'll go up with time. And recently, I also promoted some offers on ClickBank. Actually, it's this product called Instadoodle. It's a great product. I love this. And I made about $638 in the last 4 days, which is pretty good, right? So this is the kind of thing that you can achieve if you have a system, if you have a list, or you have a Facebook group, or you want to post on social media a lot. So you can use any system, but what you will always need is kind of this bonus page. And this product, Bonus Page Builder, it lets you build it and also gives you some interesting things that you can use to get it done fast. Also, it has an AI system to help you create some content, and also you can write emails with AI. First thing, whenever you get a product, do get it with the intent of using it, right? That's very important. Don't get a product with the intent of, that it'll just do something magically and you'll make money. Usually that doesn't happen. So I always recommend to my customers, if you invest in something, please try to use it, make the best use of it possible. And Richard has put in a lot of tutorials. So I was just going through them before I started making this demo. I watched a bunch of these, and they're really comprehensive. They're talking about a lot of things, not just the product itself, but also strategy. And I would totally recommend to you that you watch this. Look at this, Affiliate Campaign Mastery. He's teaching affiliate marketing, and he's a successful marketer himself. He's right now one of the top people in JVZoo, just like me. And he teaches how to do this, right? He also teaches how to get traffic. It's right over here. All of this information you should watch. It won't take long, I promise you. And it's very interesting. It's very engaging. If you do this course, which is a part of this deal, you will certainly know a lot more, and you'll be able to create a better income stream, right? The difference can be substantial. I remember the time when I started in internet marketing and somebody educated me, and I was a recipient of, I always like to learn the best I can, and I listened to that person. I also did a lot of follow-up investigations, courses. I learned from other people, and I was able to create a successful business myself. And anybody can do that if they do the same kind of intent. Right, now back to Bonus Page Builder. Let's take a look. So here you can, okay, let's go back to the beginning a little bit, homepage. So I think I'm in one of the, I clicked on new page, so I'll just remove it and press enter. All right, so it took me to the sales page, I guess. Yeah, I had to click on home. Yeah, easier than what I was trying to do. So you can either create a new page, and the new page can be a bonus page or even a bonus delivery page. So a bonus page is a page that you have set up like this, where you pitch the product or you pitch your stuff, and then if people buy it, they need to be getting access to the bonuses, right? So you need to set up a bonus delivery page. So if you can create categories for your bonus page. For example, internet marketing. Let's get started. Yeah. And then you can give a page name, like let's say I wanted to make another page for Instadoodle, I could, and delivery name Instadoodle. That's where the delivery happens. Click on save. Always save as often as you need to. Now in page settings, you can do things like choose the page width. You can have a meta title, which is good for SEO. I always SEO optimize my pages the best I can. For example, this meta description. And you will need an affiliate link. Affiliate link is something that you get from the vendor, the provider, the person who created the software, usually from a website like JVZoo or ClickBank. You can go there and get the affiliate link, and you need to put it in here. For example, if it's JVZoo, it will be something like JVZ, there will be a server number, JVZ5 or something like that, .com and / there will be a code. So just make sure you get your affiliate link. And the draft redirect link, well, this is to use in case the launch has ended. So there are often product launches and special promotions for a few days, like 7 days or 5 days, where the creators of the products let you sell the product for a special deal that you might get a discount to promote to your customers, or even a lifetime deal. And once that ends, you still don't want that traffic to be gone. You want to use that traffic, so you can send them to another page. Maybe you got another offer going on, so, or you have a home page where you try to promote your newsletter, whatever you do. So I have a page for this called the Daily Pursuit, right? dailypursuit.in. And if people go there, they will discover my newsletter and they can sign up to my newsletter. So you could do something like that. Click on OK once you're done. That's set up. Bonus page builder comes with a lot of other things like the timer. So you've seen a scarcity timer on many sales pages that tell you, exactly when the offer is going to end or change. And you can, it motivates conversions. Conversions, if you didn't know, was action that people take on the page. And if you have a bonus page, it would typically mean people clicking on the link, going to the sales page, and then trying to buy. So with a good timer, you can promote conversions, because then people understand that there is something that's a temporary thing, and they better take action if they want to claim the product, right? So for example, let's say the offer is live for 2 days, and after 2 days it's gonna you're gonna have to pay more. You can do that. And it's got this timer designer has got everything, number of different fonts that you can select. Like let's go for impact. I think it's too heavy. I kind of never liked impact. Oswald, this looks better. And you can choose the colors, so it lets you change colors. It lets you change text. You can even change the fill color. I'm sure my choices are random and very horrid. And on expiry, that is when the timer expires, what do you want the page to do? Do you want to hide the timer, or do you want to redirect the page to another location, just like earlier, right? You can select all that. Click OK. The timer is set, and now people, when they go to the final page, they will see the timer. Similarly, pop bar. Now exit pop. I'm sure you've seen it so many times on my sales pages, like even on Instadoodle. If I refresh it, let me refresh it for you. Okay, so actually on that page, I already crossed it out. So I'll show you on Selly. So if you go to any of my sales pages, any of my bonus pages, you will see this pop up. And I ask people to subscribe, to put in the name and their email address, and tell them to subscribe to my newsletter. And I can tell you, it does bring me a lot of subscribers, guys. That's why I have it there. So bonus page builder has a pop bar also, right? You can have a pop bar. You can have people go to the pop bar. So to go to some page, maybe you have a subscription page or whatever. So you can have them go to the pop bar. But here, I think it takes you to the purchase page. So buy this offer now before it expires, right? All right. And there's also the exit pop. Now exit pop appears when when somebody, your visitor, is trying to exit the page without taking action, and it's like a last ditch effort to get people to take action. And sometimes people come to the exit pop with a better offer or a different offer. I actually don't like that, because I think it kind of diminishes the trust in that people have in you when you have an offer live, and on exit pop you give them a better offer. It diminishes the trust in your offer and also the entire industry. I think it's a negative practice, and I personally never do that. But what you can do on exit pop is tell people to subscribe, let them come to you, let them see a different offer maybe, but not really just reduce price on the same offer. You can check out, okay, did you check out this awesome product? This is a way to get people to take action. Okay, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time typing. All right, so this way, right? Click on OK. So now you have an exit pop, and there is also the mail gate. So this is actually something that will pop up on your page and invite people to subscribe. So if you are sending maybe messages to a social group, or you are posting on social media, people who discover your bonus page through any other medium except your email list, you want them to subscribe, and this can help you get that done, because it'll show a pop-up just like the one I showed you that gets you that mail address. Now let's talk about how the actual page is designed. So there are these sections on the side: spacer, content, bonus, image, video, CTA, call to action, and countdown timer. You can place them on the page and then just frame them together. For example, click on content, and this is the content block, and you can style it using this toolbar. So for example, let me make a headline over here. And you can choose font, you can choose the size, choose alignment, change the color. You have it. And let's see what other options are there. You can choose not to align. You can make a table. Table is important when you're putting in features and all. You can place media like a video or an image. So the content block can actually extend, and if I want, I can place a video over here. So for example, a YouTube video. Let me go to my channel. This was the Insta-doodle video. Here we go. You can change the height and the width too. So if you want to do 400, the height will automatically adjust. So they're always in ratio. And if you want to control the embed code, you could do that. If you want to put in some advanced information, that's also possible. You can see the video is like this. You can actually make it bigger just by dragging, which is great. And the CTA is the button. The CTA is the button which can lead to the places where you want the customer to go. So you can put it right below this, like this. And I'm just gonna remove this space. And to change the text on the button, you gotta click on settings right over here. Every section has settings. So even this text, even this video has settings. In this section has settings. So their settings are showing right on top. So let's go back, settings, and you can change get Insta Doodle right now. And you have all these set up like the background color, the CTO color, size, padding, like you could increase the font size. Click on OK, and I really don't like that font. Gotta change it back. Yeah, Alpha Slab 1, too fat. Let's go for Georgia. It's actually my favorite font these days, Georgia. So you have get Insta Doodle right now, and then you can put in another content piece here like this, and this time build a table. You've seen this happen, like in Insta Doodle. I should have a table, I guess. Not really. I'm just gonna put these points. This is the way I like my bonus pages. They should look visual. They should be icons and emojis and everything. Alright, so that's done. And there's another content block over here, I think. You can delete that. Yep, this is the text. So this way you can build up your entire bonus page. By the way, it has some interesting features. Like one of the features is this button right over here. It says magic block. So what happens with magic block is you can choose when or at what date certain content will appear, what time and date, and when it will disappear. So you can use it to put in some added scarcity, put in some added bonuses. Maybe you want to have a bonus at the end of the launch, you could do that, right? And duplicate stuff, like create new stuff with older content. And of course, remember to save. And all of these things, you can just put together. You can use to put together a bonus page. By the way, I'll tell you something interesting. It does have a number of bonuses. So you have to click on bonus type and all bonuses. You can have your own bonuses too. So you can click on new bonus, and you can put in your bonus page information, like the image, the graphic of the bonus page, the delivery block, like the if you want to deliver, you need to have a download button. So you can put in that download button and everything, in here. Using the link, you can link to the download page. So you can put in your own details, your own bonus pages. And I will go back here. I think there is no way to cancel, so I'll just use the back button. Yeah, so you can put in your own bonus pages, but you can also use the bonuses that they have provided. So Richard has given you over 200 bonuses, 214 bonuses that you can use in your promotions. And I think it's worth a lot, because these bonuses can help you make sales, right? If you've got a good bonus, people might be motivated to buy from you than compared to somebody who doesn't have a bonus, right? So you can use these bonuses, browse them, and use them in your own marketing. Okay, so I think I'm not sure if I have access to these, because it's called grayed out, so maybe I don't have access to it. Your pages, you can see here, I just created an Insta Doodle page, and you can deploy it, publish, deploy it. By the way, deployment is done for you without you having to get the hosting. So I do have a hosting, but you don't need to get hosting for this. And you can deploy it on your own page. The delivery URL is also provided to you, so you can copy it and promote this URL in your bonus, in your emails, and you can promote this delivery URL in your emails. And if you want to download the HTML and put it up somewhere, you can click the download button, and the web pages will be downloaded in HTML format, and you can upload them to your web server. So that's another way, right? It's got AI project, and this is where you create AI powered content. So you can put in some content, like most of the time you can just paste. It also lets you URL. It also lets you scrape URL. So let's try that. Just gonna use the review and scrape URL. It got all the content for you. Paste in until the content is the 6,000 words and the lock button is enabled. Once you're happy, you can lock in your source and continue. So this is the source material. You click on lock and then the AI generates your bonus page content, so you don't have to write it. Now this is exciting. Check this out. This is the result from the AI. There's an introduction, there is a product overview, testimonials, bonus offers and benefits, features, all of these things you want to put on your bonus page, obviously, right? So you can copy the material over here. I could just copy it and put it on Notepad, and from the Notepad document you can just put it inside your bonus page. So that's the easy way, right? Just paste it over here like this, and then just copy paste on your bonus page that you've created. Now I'm gonna save this. Just call it Instadoodle. Save it here. Copy and export, both are available. Then there is the AI email tool which will write the emails for you. You can choose the language, you can put in a target audience like internet marketers. There are several email personas: digital wordsmith, direct response, digital strategy, maestro. Lots of different email personas that you can use, and you can also choose a writing style. Finally, have a subject line. I think it generates only the copy. The subject line, I think you gotta put in your information, or you can generate by AI. So I'm gonna do this. Instadoodle, create doodle videos easily. I'm keeping it basic, right? Gonna just copy this and let's click generate. So check this out. It gave me several different subject lines to choose from, and it wrote the entire email for me, and I can just copy it and then promote it. And I already showed you the tutorial section. Finally, this is tutorials, and I totally think that you should watch all the videos in here. There are several different tutorials, and there are extras like the image library. There is a subdomain facility, so you can add your subdomain.
Hello and welcome back to the next video.
Let's check this out. I wanna go into settings, and you got so many different autoresponders that it works for. So remember that mail feature, mail grabbing feature, it connects to all these autoresponders. There are webinars also that you can put, and you can put in your domain and subdomain. So if you want to put in your domain like mybestreviews.com, you can click on this and it will tell you the name servers that you have to use in your domain, right? So create a CNAME for your subdomain and point it to bonuspagebuilder.com. Simple as that, right? You've added the subdomain successfully. Now you can change the CNAME record in your name registrar. All right, I think I got a little wrong. So you have to actually DNS for this domain currently resolved. So okay. All right, so I think I'm not sure how to create a subdomain over here. Not really sure because I don't see a way to change it, right? So I can't tell you that I understand this. So maybe it's time to watch the tutorials and learn from there. So this was actually all of the software. This was the bonus page builder. And if you want to build bonus pages without having to do this manually like I do, and a lot of people who do themselves, because we have technical skills, and if you don't have the tech skills but you still want the setup done for you, you want to have a bonus page, you want to have a bonus delivery page and everything else that's required, including AI project designer, AI email tools, well, this product can be helping you, and you can use this product to set up and promote products for profit. So if you're interested in this software and you want to pick it up, well, make sure you get it from me, because here's the deal again. When you get products from me that I have given access to, I can then give you Technic Force reward points and then offer you my excellent products also free of cost. So you don't have to pay for my products when you go through, when you get other people's products from me. And I have a huge collection of products: Cloud Funnels, Course Funnels, Shop Funnels, TubeRank Jeet, Livecaster, Mighty Meme, Spinflux, Selly, Engagey, Groupster, Sendster, Mail Engine, List Janitor. And this is Converty. It's a product that I have. Bloggy, Tarantula, Postifluence, Complyify. That's also another product that I have. And this is PeopleBots, also another product that I have. So the thing with my products is they are really high quality things. They're things that people actually use in their business, and I use them in my business. That's the proof. If you see a vendor, if you see a producer using their own products, it means that they have built products that are of certain quality, right? So that's what I focus on. So the consent management platform that I use, it's my own. It's one that I coded. I didn't pay for it to other people. And now the chatbot or the chat system I use, again, it's something that I created. So every business needs products. Every business needs to have solutions. And the first thing I want to do is create solutions for myself so that I don't have to pay for them. And of course, the solutions have to be robust. And then I can offer the same solution to you, and you can also benefit from it. So that's what I did. Every product that I needed, I built it myself, and I'm using it, and my customers are using it, and both of us are very happy. And you can use these products without paying for them. If you get BPB from me today, Business Page Builder from me, lots of amazing products: Converty, Loggy Browser, Webinar Loop, Voicy, Pixie, AI Collective, VidScribe, and I'm building a lot of new products too. There are new things coming up all the time. I have a huge list of things that we are working on today, and they'll be out soon. Like there is Writix, it's my AI writer, coming up soon. There is Croc, which is a dynamic QR code platform. Now I don't have sales pages for these. There is Vidco, which is a video creator, powerful stuff, right? So lots of different things, and you can get access with the Technic Force rewards, not just to the products that I have today, but also the ones that I'm going to bring out in the future, that I have prepared, I'm going to release in the next couple of months, right? You can get access to all of them in the Technic Force rewards program. So this was it for me, and I will see you next time with a new product and talk to you again about what's happening. So this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.